In today's video, I will walk you through how to set stop loss and take profit in MetaTrader 5. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once the platform has loaded, log into your trading account or open the account you want to use. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main trading screen. Now, go to the trade section at the bottom of the platform. Inside the trade section, right-click anywhere in that area and select New Order. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, you can simply press F9 on your keyboard to open the same order window. The order window will now appear. This is where you'll enter all of the details for your trade. At the top of the window, you'll see the symbol field. If you want to trade a different market, click the symbol field and choose the one you want. For this example, select Euro USD by double-clicking it. Once the symbol has been selected, move to the Type field. Here, you can choose either market execution or pending order. Select the option you want to use. Next, enter the trade volume in the volume field. After you've entered the volume, look for the stop loss field. Click inside that field and enter the stop loss value you want to use for your trade. Then, move to the take profit field. Click inside it and enter the take profit value you want to use. Both of these fields are available directly in the order window before you place the trade. If you want to include a comment with the order, click the comment field and enter your text. If you don't need a comment, you can leave that field unchanged. Once you've entered the symbol, selected the order type, entered the volume, and filled in both the stop loss and take profit fields, you're ready to place the trade. Click Buy by Market to submit the order. After the order has been placed, a confirmation window will appear. The confirmation will indicate that the trade has been placed with the stop loss and take profit values you entered. Click OK to close the confirmation window. Your trade has now been opened with both a stop loss and a take profit already attached. Whenever you place another trade, you can repeat the same process. Open the new order window, choose the symbol, select the order type, enter the volume, fill in the stop loss and take profit fields, add a comment if you want, and then click Buy by Market. That's all there is to setting a stop loss and take profit in MetaTrader 5. Once you've entered those values in the order window before placing your trade, they'll be included automatically when the order is submitted. Thank you for watching.